Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we are diving into the book, The Slight Edge by Jeff Olson. If you've been looking for a way to achieve massive success in your life, this book might just be the blueprint you need. So, let's dive into the summary of this incredible book. But before we dive into the content, I kindly request a moment of your time to appreciate this video by liking it, subscribing to the channel, and ringing that notification bell. Your support means a lot to me. Thanks a lot. The Slight Edge by Jeff Olson is a self-help book that teaches how small daily choices can lead to massive success or failure. It highlights the importance of consistent, positive action in achieving our goals and living a fulfilling life. Jeff Olson has built multi-billion-dollar sales and marketing organizations and hosted seminars in every major city in the U.S. He has also produced over 900 television programs with personal development legends such as Les Brown, Jim Rohn, and Brian Tracy. The Slight Edge explores the power of all the small choices we make every day. Far from being insignificant, they are a step in our journey toward success or failure. The Slight Edge is an enlightening book that explores the power of daily choices and how they can shape our lives. Here's why this book is worth reading. It provides a practical roadmap for achieving success by making small, consistent actions that compound over time. It offers inspiring stories and examples of ordinary individuals who have experienced extraordinary results, making it relatable and motivating. And it highlights the importance of personal development and how it can lead to long-term happiness and fulfillment in all areas of life. Here is a sentence showcasing the greatness of a quote of this book. Successful people fail their way to the top. Jeff Olson. Those are the individuals who truly deserve to immerse themselves in this extraordinary book. Individuals wanting to achieve success in life. People trying to develop new habits or stop bad ones. Entrepreneurs who want to build successful businesses. The Slight Edge is all about understanding the power of small daily actions over time. The author, Jeff Olson, explains that success is not about making huge leaps forward all at once, but about consistently making small, positive choices that compound over time. Jeff Olson shares inspiring stories and practical advice to illustrate how simple daily disciplines, when done consistently, can lead to extraordinary results in any area of your life, whether it's your career, relationships, health, or personal development. The core concept of The Slight Edge is the idea that the decisions we make every day, no matter how small they may seem, have a cumulative effect on our overall success and happiness. Whether it's choosing to exercise for 30 minutes, reading a few pages of a self-help book, or saving a small amount of money each day, these actions, when repeated consistently, can lead to massive results over time. Olson emphasizes the importance of creating positive daily habits and sticking to them, even when it may not seem like you're seeing immediate results. He explains that success is not an overnight phenomenon but a result of the small, seemingly insignificant choices we make day in and day out. Throughout the book, Jeff Olson shares inspiring success stories of individuals who have applied the principles of the Slight Edge in their own lives and achieved remarkable results. These stories serve as a reminder that anyone can achieve success by committing to small, positive actions consistently. Here are some invaluable insights gleaned from this captivating book. I trust you will find them exceedingly beneficial. Feel free to delve deeper into its wisdom and let it inspire new perspectives and ideas in your journey. 1. To achieve the Slight Edge, we need to develop a life philosophy and master the mundane. According to U.S. News and World Report, 80% of all New Year's resolutions fail by the second week of February. When we fail, we may think that we simply didn't try hard enough or desire our goal enough. However, the truth is that success is the result of simple, productive actions repeated consistently over time. This is known as the Slight Edge. The key message here is, to achieve the Slight Edge, we need to develop a life philosophy and master the mundane. When we look at successful people, it's easy to think that they're just exceptionally brilliant or have special skills that we don't. But more often than not, that's not the case. Thanks to the abundance of self-help books, information about how to succeed in life is more widely available than ever before. But to really benefit from it, we need to apply it effectively. That's where developing a life philosophy comes in. A life philosophy is your view of life. It influences your attitudes, feelings, and, ultimately, your actions. And it's powerful because it can change the way you think about simple, everyday tasks. Consider the life philosophy of Thomas J. Watson, the founder of IBM. The formula for success is quite simple: double your rate of failure. Yet, many of us don't consider failure an option. What we don't understand is that the more we fail, the more chances we have to succeed. Today, Abraham Lincoln is remembered as one of the most notable U.S. presidents. But did you know that he suffered numerous election losses and public office failures? For him, failure wasn't just an option, it was his specialty. Doubling his rate of failure ultimately led him to the highest office, where he had a profound impact on the country that the United States is today. Another way we can achieve the slight edge is by focusing on the mundane matters of life. For example, Steve Martin is known as the single biggest audience draw in the history of stand-up comedy. But as a teenager, Martin couldn't sing, dance, or act. So he worked at it. Day after day, he studied magic tricks, taught himself the banjo, and tried out lines on anyone who would listen. The things he did were neither complicated nor exciting. In fact, they were rather boring. But by mastering the mundane, Steve Martin became a star. 2. In the long run, the choices we make every day work either for us or against us. When things happen to us, luck, circumstances, or fate often get the praise or the blame. In reality, it's down to the choices we make, especially the little ones. Every choice we make leads to one of two destinations: success or failure. The slight edge is not just a lifestyle that we may or may not choose to adopt. It's always there, working in the background. If we don't use it to our advantage, then it will work against us. We may not see the effects immediately, but the passage of time will eventually expose it. 3. People ignore mundane things in life because they are easy and seem insignificant, and because the results are invisible. Only 5% of people achieve a significant number of their goals in life. So if being successful is just about doing simple things consistently, what stops the other 95% of people from following through? Simply put, the 5% understand the power of the slight edge and put it to work in their lives. The other 95% do not. 4. Continuous lifelong learning and practice will help you benefit from the slight edge. Making good choices will set you on the path to success, but it may not keep you there. It takes continuous, lifelong learning by any and every available means for the slight edge to keep working in your favor. Reading 10 pages of an inspirational and educational book every day can greatly enrich your life. Doing so would mean that you could finish a 300-page book every month. You could also listen to 15 minutes of life-transforming audio every day, or take a course or a seminar every few months. 5. Momentum, completion, reflection, and celebration are the 4 slight edge allies. Momentum is the irresistible force that can push us toward a goal. It takes energy and initiative to start a new activity. But once we get going, momentum takes over and keeps propelling us forward. Once we're in motion, it becomes easier to make the positive changes needed to reach our goals. To understand how momentum works, we can think about steering a car. While it's stationary, it can be hard work getting the wheel to move. But once the car is in motion, steering the wheel is easy, no matter how slowly you're moving. 6. Cultivate positive, productive habits that help you cope in any circumstances and achieve your dreams. We all struggle to break bad habits, despite our best efforts. So here's a tip. The easiest way to get rid of a bad habit is to replace it with a good one. Good habits are a vital ingredient in reaching our goals, but establishing good habits requires action. 7. There are 3 steps to achieving our dreams. Write them down, look at them every day, and develop a plan. We all have dreams. Sadly, few come true because we don't know how to pursue them. But there is a tried and tested formula that works, and it's quite easy. The first step in the formula is making our dreams real. To do that effectively, we need to use our senses. That means putting our dreams down in words or creating a dream board by using pictures. Even better, we could talk to someone else about them. The main key takeaways from The Slight Edge include the importance of patience, persistence, and the understanding that success is a journey, not a destination. By focusing on small daily improvements and staying committed to your goals, you can create a life of abundance and fulfillment. In The Slight Edge, Jeff Olson challenges the common belief that success is reserved for those with extraordinary talent or opportunities. Instead, he argues that anyone can achieve greatness by mastering the art of consistent, intentional action and by making the right choices every day. The beauty of the slight edge lies in its simplicity. Olson emphasizes that success is not about making drastic changes or working tirelessly towards a single monumental goal. It's about embracing the power of small, manageable steps that, when done consistently, lead to remarkable results. One of the core principles of the slight edge is the concept of the compound effect. Just like compound interest grows your savings over time, small positive actions compounded daily can lead to exponential growth in your life. By staying committed to your daily habits, you create a ripple effect that can transform your future. Jeff Olson provides practical strategies for implementing the principles of the slight edge into your life. These strategies include setting clear goals, creating a daily action plan, staying accountable, and continuously learning and growing. By incorporating these practices, you can build momentum and propel yourself towards success. Throughout the book, Olson illustrates how the slight edge philosophy has helped individuals from all walks of life achieve extraordinary results. Whether it's improving physical fitness, building a successful business, or cultivating meaningful relationships, the power of small, consistent actions is a universal principle that can be applied to any endeavor. The Slight Edge is filled with insightful quotes that inspire readers to adopt a long-term mindset and embrace the journey of personal growth. One such quote by Jeff Olson is, "Success is the progressive realization of a worthy ideal." This reminds us that success is not a destination but a continuous process of growth and improvement. If you're ready to leverage the Slight Edge philosophy to transform your life and achieve your goals, make sure to get in your hands a copy of Jeff Olson's book. You can find the link to acquire a copy of this incredible book in the description below. Start implementing small daily actions today and watch as they accumulate into significant results over time. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you found this book summary helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more book summaries and insightful content. Leave a comment down below if you've read this book or have any other recommendations for us. Until next time, remember that success is just a series of small, daily choices that add up over time. See you in the next video.